All right, what's up? So, just a quick video. Today, I'm going to be putting a bench seat into my pickup. So I just took out the first seat. This one is in half decent condition. The springs are shot though. There's that bucket seat there. A little bit better condition. Some tears here and there. But I got a bench seat out of an 89 that I'm going to throw in here. So I'm going to take out that bench or that bucket seat and clean up all this mess. And I'm going to see how it fits. So this is an 82 and we're putting an 89 bench seat in. So yeah, let me take out that and clean up this mess. All right, well, got everything cleaned up and got both the seats out. And I got the bench seat here. This is it. Out of an 89 is what I was told. In not terrible condition. There's a tear on that side, I'll show you. But yeah, I have a seat cover for it anyways, so there's a little tear right there. But yeah, I got it for 60 bucks, which I'm pretty stoked about. So anyways, it looks like it could bolt up potentially the exact same way as the other seats. There's these bolts right here. That would be the angled one and then the flat one. So I'm gonna just shove it in there, see how it fits. I do have to consider the seat belts. So I might have to like put it in, angle it, and kind of fish the seatbelt through. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna kind of just go for it and yeah, see how it goes. All right, check it. Got it fitted, and it looks like someone has had a bench seat in here before, maybe, because there's holes almost perfectly drilled. Those are the original holes right there to the left. So I'm gonna use those holes. I don't even have to drill, and see how that goes. And same on that side. There's also holes. All right, well, that was easy. I got them in. I might upgrade that to something bigger in the future, but for now, it works, and I didn't have to drill any holes. It went right into the holes that were already there, so obviously, it seems like someone had a bench seat in here before me. But this is the SR5 model, so it comes with those seats stock. But anyways, I'm going to put a seat cover on this, and that'll be it pretty much, for now, at least. But yeah, pretty simple. Pretty simple. Glad that, you know, everything kind of lined up easy for me. I didn't have to drill. All right, and that's the seat cover. This is a universal one from Walmart for 30 bucks. And you can see it doesn't fit perfect. Just kind of been messing with it. Still trying to get it in the little spots, but it's not bad. It'll definitely do the job, and it covers up the ripped seats. It's a little big, like I said, so kind of got like a crease there. As you can see, I had to fold it, but no one really sits there anyways, so that is fine. And yeah, look at that, looks good. So success. Maybe one day we'll get like a better seat, but this cover's fine. That'll do the job. Yeah, super stoked on it. We'll see how it goes.